In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the free official Shopify order printer app to download an order as a PDF. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your Shopify admin without any confusion. The goal here is to get the official order printer tool added to your store workspace, then use it from an active order page to generate a downloadable PDF version of that order. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for the free official Shopify order printer application. Make sure you're selecting the official app so you're working with the correct print dashboard tool designed for Shopify stores. Once you find it, open the app listing and review the page briefly to confirm it's the order printer app you want to use. When you're ready, click Install to add the print dashboard app to your store environment. Shopify may take a moment to process the installation, so just wait for it to finish loading. If you're prompted with any standard app permissions or confirmation screens, go ahead and complete those so the app can connect properly to your store admin. After that, the app should be available in your Shopify workspace. Next, go directly to an active order profile page card inside your store dashboard. In other words, open one of your live or existing orders so you can access the order's specific actions tied to that record. This is important because the print option we need appears from within the order itself, not from a general app settings page. Once you're on the order page, look for the More Actions menu. Click that to expand the available options. From the list, select Print with Order Printer. This will open the printing flow connected to the app you just installed. At this stage, you should see layout or output choices associated with that order. Now choose the PDF option layout to download the file. This will generate a PDF version of the order that you can save, share, or print later as needed. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically or open in a new tab first, where you can then save it manually. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the order printer option, under More Actions, refresh the order page after installation and try again. Sometimes the admin just needs a moment to update. And that's it. You've successfully installed Shopify Order Printer and used it to download an order as a PDF from your store dashboard.